Imagine a world where every time someone participates, it instantly creates a tangible benefit for someone else. Humans are already wired for this. Every day, we generate a massive network of actions designed to help one another. People organize neighborhood cleanups. They pool resources to support a friend in need. They show up for their communities in countless small ways. But almost all of that everyday effort vanishes the moment it happens. It goes unrecorded and unmeasured. Because it isn't tracked, it simply fades into the background. Without a way to measure that goodwill, we lose the ability to harness it. We miss out on the potential to scale those isolated, quiet acts into concrete, structural opportunities. Dream Play organizes this uncaptured value. It operates as a participation economy, designed specifically to record and measure human engagement. The hub where this takes place is the House of Blessings. It functions as a community center, where people connect, learn, participate, and support one another. Inside that community center, the first structured activity available is Blessino. Blessino serves as an engine. It takes the abstract concept of community goodwill, structures it, and converts it into measurable impact. Participants enter using community credits and select numbers. These inputs flow directly into the central session engine. Instead of a traditional model with one winner, the session node fractures the outputs, distributing value across the board. These engines are operated by verified hosts, community leaders who ensure sessions run smoothly. And one output channel loops back to the start. This represents the participation reward system, returning recurring incentives to active users for staying engaged. The mechanics ensure no effort is wasted. Every session generates value for the entire ecosystem, every time it runs. There is exactly one critical rule built into this system. No Blessino session exists without a scholar attached to it. When a session activates, it directly funds real-world education. It covers vocational tools, sponsorships, and classroom materials for students who are actively building their future. Beyond the mandatory scholar, sessions can also include for benefit of causes. These direct additional support towards specific local campaigns and community initiatives. When the session closes, the engine calculates the inputs, generates the results, and distributes exact allocations to everyone. This transparent ledger interface tracks exactly where that support goes. You can see the distinct allocation bars for rewards, scholars, and community filling up in real time to reach 100%. The results and settlement records are completely public. Because every outcome is fully accountable, trust is built into the platform itself. The invisible acts of goodwill are finally made visible. Let's follow that vocational student from earlier. Thanks to the support generated by the session, she graduates, secures her certification, and steps into her career. Her success does not stay contained. When opportunity strikes, the effects radiate outward as she begins lifting up her own local community. As those local improvements build over time, they construct a durable foundation for community-wide growth. When scholarships are funded session after session, today's participation builds a reliable path toward future careers for the next generation. It all comes down to realizing that you have the power to help, that you belong in this ecosystem, and that your participation actually matters. Dream Play is the participation economy. The House of Blessings is where participation happens, and Blessino is the first participation activity inside the House of Blessings. This is the exact mechanism where everyday participation becomes blessing.